Hey there, humanoids. Mr. Nooks and Crannies here. Today we are at Spirit Halloween, store number 50439. It's here at the Lake Buena Vista Factory Outlets in Lake Buena Vista, Florida, just outside of Walt Disney World. And now that September is upon us, we're going to go in there and start daydreaming about what we want to actually dress up for Halloween nights, and check out the animatronics and all the other goodies as well. So why don't you grab yourself a bag of candy and head right this way. All right, as soon as you walk in, you got the animatronics set up. We got the Wheel of Fate here. Some boardwalk theming. Spirit Carnival. Let's take a look and see what it does. Is it gonna work for me? There we go. Oh, yeah, spirits in his belly there. Oh, goodness. Well, you might need an antacid or two. That's pretty cool. There it is, Wheel of Fate. That's the Ringmaster, $3.29. Take a look here. Oh, who's this? Nibbles the Clown.
Yeah, you. I'm giving out some candy.
Feel like you're being watched? Motion track. Oh, so there you go. You can sense where you're at.
I'm harmless. Mostly. I see you.
Ooh, I see you too, Nibbles. Oh, okay. What we got here? Oh, that thing is terrifying looking. Let me get my step on. You working? No, it might not be working. That's too bad. Would like to see him evil deeds he does. All right, let's check out the decor. I dig this Bates Motel doormat. Mars Attacks. What we got here? Oh, some old Mike Myers. And let's see, we got Beetlejuice. Oh, look, another Curious Morning. Makes me sick. Oh, Hocus Pocus. Okay. Let's see here. Of course, we got Killer Clowns from Outer Space. Excellent. Oh, Lord, these are hard to put back. I like this job.
Seems like a very pleasant environment.
Let's see here, additional modified jack-o'-lanterns there. You got witches, skulls, skull pumpkins, all the skellies you can handle, different colors. I like the animal ones, those are cool. Turtle and bird, scorpion. Yeah, baby. Alien skeleton up there too. There are dogs and cats. I was wondering, no, they do sell the seagull. That's pretty cool. I like those. Twisted. Excellent. Everything you need to make a spooky display at your house there. Garage. Cul-de-sac. Look at that. Got Halloween Life, it says up there. Some signs. Of course, old Beetlejuice in theaters. You got the American Gothic version there, but with old Mike Myers and Jamie Lee Curtis. Live, laugh, and stab. That's pretty funny. More Mike Myers. Of course, Deadpool, big time. Halloween styling. It. Trick or Treat. Elm Street signs. Jeepers Creepers. Friday the 13th. Classic Monsters. Things to do before sunrise. Find book, brew potion, become young and beautiful again. That's not a bad.
That plan there. Okay, nice. Oh, some additional cool Beetlejuice style. I like that. Welcome, Kmart shoppers. There's a blue light special in aisle 7. Lydia Dietz. People are afraid of the strange and unusual, but I myself am strange and unusual. Very good. Let's see you well. Mr. Oogie Boogie. Santa Claus. Breath. Now before Christmas. Hocus Pocus. Alright. Some more decor. Some limited edition statues, I'm sure. Killer Clowns. Crypt Keeper. So, oh, I like that one. Realized Beetlejuice. That's cool. Take a look, see at that. Fun. Which is it? Only $16.99. Huh. That's a maybe.
All right, let's check out all the different throws. Nightcrawler, Beetlejuice, Hocus Pocus, Halloween, more Beetlejuice. That's a cool design. Nightmare Before Christmas, Nightmare, Halloween, Trick or Treat, Grouchy, there's Chucky, there's the glare there, Nightmare, there you go, there's the Chucky, there's another Mr. Oogie Boogie Man.
Let's see here. Oh wow, look at that, that's cool, that's real cool. From the Corpse Bride. Keepers Creepers. Killer Clowns, more Corpse Bride, some generic witchcraftery, Coraline. Fun. Let's see what else we got going on here. All right, let's check out the masks.
Here's the Ghostbuster stuff. We got a Proton Pack, inflatable Stay Puff, there's Ecto Goggles, a PKE meter. Of course, you can be a Ghostbuster. Well, this year he's going to be Ecto 1 as well. That's pretty cool. Yeah, Spangler jacket. Oh, looks like you can switch out the name there. Well, that's cool. And I imagine that it's, yeah, you can be all 4. Excellent. Very nice. Alright, let's check out the t-shirts here. Yeah, I can't hold my liquor. Kinda wasted. We'll trade candy for beer. Creeping it real. Drink up, witches. Little cowboy skellies. Of course, the famous collection there. It looks like the old 70s art there. Just a traditional spirit with Art the Clown. Ghostface. Oh, I like that one. That's cool. With the Scream poster on it. American Gothic again with Leatherface. There's Scream, New Halloween. American Psycho. Now, if anybody ever tells you American Psycho or Joker is their favorite movie, that's a warning to not engage in a long-term romantic relationship with them. Hey, Loomis. Oh, right back at you there, Scream Face. Stab, you're it. Follow your dreams. Actually like that one a lot. That's cool. There's Jason without his mask, if you've ever wondered. It. More Terrifier. Beetlejuice. And Chucky and Tiff. There it is. Here's the T-shirt collection 2024 at Spirit Halloween.
That's going to do it for today's adventure. I'm Mr. Nooks and Crannies saying, Halloween is here, whether you like it or not. Like and subscribe. Tell a friend. We'll see you next time, humanoids.